How to remove your creator account in your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can remove your creator account in your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram. So now once you are in here, you have to click on this bottom right corner and you have to go in your profile. So now once you are in your profile, here in the top right corner there is the three horizontal lines. You just have to click on it and go in the settings and the privacy. Now from here you have to go in the business tools and the controls, and once you are in, as you can see that here is the option of this switch account type. You just have to click on it. Now here is the option of this switch to your personal account. You just have to tap on it, and here is the confirmation to remove your created account and switch to your personal account. You just have to tap on it, and after that you are able to remove your created account in your Instagram. So this is how you can remove your created account in your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.